Hello guys, there we have a REALME GT Neo 3T, and today I will tell you a few things to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So the first step is a little bit obvious and the simplest one, but something works. So we start from the just resetting the Bluetooth by this little slider. Now just look for your device again. If you cannot see in here, still just try to change the name of your Bluetooth of your device to give some Bluetooth refresh settings. The next step is opening advanced settings and just use that sliders and check for your Bluetooth accessory again. If that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to restart your phone and restart your Bluetooth accessory. You have to remember that a lot of Bluetooth devices have something like a pair mode, and how to enable a pair mode you will find in the manual instructions to your device. So if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory after the restart, you can also go to the settings, slide down to the system settings and look for the backup and reset on the downside. Now just choose reset phone and choose reset network settings. Configure it by this button. Then look for your device again. The next recommendation from me is just check that your device have any updates. If you have any updates of your system, just instant download it and install. Then look for your Bluetooth again. And the last thing, just check your phone and your Bluetooth accessory on the other device to check that is a problem with your phone or with your Bluetooth accessory. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.